Now I really never thought that I would be making a video on this, but let me tell you, I thought of not hiding anything. Even my cousins and friends say that, how come your hair changed so much? And I keep saying that, what, I just do normal shampoo, condition and everything. But honestly speaking, that whatever I do, I really do it wholeheartedly, and at the same time I give a lot of time, and it's practically more of like a routine. Everyone has a tight schedule, everyone is busy doing something or the other. Recently during this winter, I thought of doing something, because when I had seen people using this, I was like, people would buy anything and everything from the market just for the sake of it, just to look cool and pretty. But let me tell you, I had watched a podcast of one, I think, dermatologist, and at the same time, one hairstylist. Okay. And the question was asked that, what is the most important thing, like if you're traveling, what is the most important thing that you have to carry with you? Now this lady had very curly frizzy hair, and she is probably she's a dermat or something like that, I'm forgetting right now. And the thing she said is a bonnet, and I ended up buying it. Those two people impressed me in such a way that I thought that, okay, this is not a gimmick, but it's an essential, because they'd never advertised any particular brand or as such, but they just said a simple bonnet is going to change your everything. Okay, so basically, let me tell you that I had bought a bonnet from the Amazon. It's not that very expensive, and I knew that during winter this would even help me from the cold. Like the things I do to make myself buy stuff which I know that is a waste of money. Not buy the elastic ones, because I felt that it might give me wrinkles out here if I use it every single day. So I bought the one which has a thing to tie. And let me tell you, if you have frizzy hair, if you have dry hair, if you have hair which needs hydration, this is so good. When I first used this, on the next day when I opened my hair, I couldn't even recognize it. It felt like I blow dried my hair. I was so blown by the result that I thought that this can't be. That's when I told one of my friends, because she was facing a little bit of dry hair issue, and I told her that you can try this. But do you know, I told them like after 2 or 3 weeks, because I felt that what would the other person think or feel. So, but then I found my courage and I said that no, let me tell them. If they feel that I'm a freak, then I'm a freak. But now I felt the courage of sharing this with all of you. It's really weird that I found so many influencers not sharing about this secret weapon, but this really does what it does. I mean, of course, it is a satin product and it is going to tame your frizzy hair. Now, let me tell you, people, during summertime, like I am even thinking that during summertime this might be too much. So that time I might be using a satin pillowcase. But during winter, this is amazing. Like it's not even expensive. Go and try this out. It is going to change the game of keeping your hair healthy. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.